Elephant, elephant, knock and way. Train hit up a long way. Here is the big, it check right. Don't be care, it doesn't bite. Hello teacher, hello everyone. My name is NึNG. I'm a children at la kindergarten. I live in Trảng Bom. I'm from Vietnam.
Very good. All right. Let's talk about
Animal
yes. Okay, now what animal is that?
and a pig.
What does a pig say?
Oink, 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 oink.
What animal is that?
And a cow.
What do we get from a cow?
Milk,
And
meat.
what animal is this?
The horse.
What does a horse eat?
Eat of the grass.
Who else eats the grass? The horse eats grass,
Cow.
the cow,
A sheep.
and the sheep. Very good. Now, can you tell me, do you have a cat at home?
No.
What do you have at home?
I have a dog.
What does your dog say?
Woof, woof.
Very good. What animal is that?
It's the duck.
What does a duck give us?
Get the egg.
Who else gives us eggs?
Quack, 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 quack.
Right, the duck gives us eggs and
Meat.
meat. What about chicken?
Chicken.
What does a chicken give us?
He give egg and meat.
Very good. Now, can you point out some animals that you know?
Yes.
Okay, what animals do you know? What is that?
Jellyfish.
Very good.
Crab.
Yes,
Turtle.
yes.
Octopus.
Very good.
Seahorse.
Wow. Now, can you point to a dangerous animal?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's the fox.
Very good.
Lion.
That's a dangerous animal.
And
What is that?
it
It's a hippo. Is it a hippo?
yes.
Yes, it's a hippo. That's pretty good.
Hippo.
Now what is that animal?
Monkey.
What does a monkey eat?
Banana.
And what does a monkey do? What does a monkey do?
At the tree.
It lives in the tree. What does the monkey say? Very good. Thank you so much. You did a very good job. Bye-bye.
Bye.